Hello, what's up guys? Welcome. I'm out here in the nature. Got some dogs out here. If you hear anything walking around, that's what it is. I want to start off by saying just thanks for all the support on my last video and everything. You guys are great, and these are a lot of fun to make, so I'm switching it up a little bit now. Outside, beautiful background, and let's just get into some Bitter Boogie. So starting off, we got the chorus, which I'm sure you're all familiar with. It's super basic. It's just draw 4, blow 4, 3 times in a row, and then a little tiny melody that's really easy to pick up. So here we go, I'll play it through and follow along and just listen to how it goes. Alright, so that was a little rough edition of it. Alright, so I'm going to play the second little melody one more time, a little bit slower, and just follow along as I play. Alright, so moving on to the solo jam. I broke it up into 2 little parts because I don't want it to be too much information at once. So I'm just going to play through this part 1, normal speed, and just pay attention. Alright. Dogs. Okay, so I'm going to play through slowly and just follow with my finger. Alright. Alright, so solo jam part 2 now. I'm just going to play it through one time, then I'll kind of explain. Here we go. Oh, that was a cool little bug. Okay, so this is just kind of a 2 draw at the very end. You kind of want to bend it too, so like make it sound a little funky when you do it. And the 4-5 draw, he just kind of starts out in a 4 draw, moves into a 5. Nothing too special. So I'm just going to move on and play the whole solo jam all together, and I'll have it written down at the same time so you can kind of follow along, and let's move into that. Alright, so we got the whole slow jam written out here, and we'll just run it through one time and follow along. So here we go. This is the lead-in. It's the last little part of the harmonica that you need to know before Ambrose starts singing. And it's my favorite part to play. It's so much fun once you get it down, and it's just like really bluesy, and it resembles Paper Mache Dream Balloon, in my opinion. It's just like, it embodies the whole album. Okay, so I'm just going to play it here really quick, and then I'll explain it. Okay, so the lightning bolt underneath it, just kind of play this part quick, and then it's all about sliding down the harmonica, blowing, drawing as you go. It's like a dance in your mouth. So here we go, I'm playing it one more time. So what's going on here, you hold that 4 draw, and then you bend and draw another 4, and then funk it in back down to 3. So you hear that? Okay, well thanks for joining me out here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's great mixing it up, getting outside a little bit, talking out here. I'm going to be doing, I think, something from I'm in Your Mind Fuzz next, or something from Polygon Dwanaland. So keep your eyes out, and I'll see you next time.